In this short video, we will learn how to use goseek. In Excel, goseek function is a part of the what-if analysis tools. In this example, let's just say we have several items for sale. We know the number of the quantities for the lemonade and the ginger cookie. We also know the price for each of the three items, so we can calculate the total value of the first two items. But we do not know how many cupcakes we should prepare to sell, so we can have an expected total number of 500. This equation shows the sum of the three items. And this 500 is our target. And of course, we can just manually input the value here to guess, so we can reach the 500. But actually, goseek function can be used in this case to calculate this number for us. So to start a goseek, we need to click on our target number. This is the number that we want to change until we reach the target of 500. And then go to the Data tab. Under the What If analysis, click on this goseek. So here, for the set cell, it's D7, which is our target. To value, we just manually enter 500. By changing cell, for this one, we want to change the quantities of the cupcakes, so we can get our target. Hit OK. And here's the result. And we know that we need to prepare at least 92 cupcakes to get our target number 500. So hit OK. The number will be left here. So this is just one example of the goseek function, but we can use it in many situations to help us figure out the value we want.